We are Affinity. To us, Affinity is more than just a name. It is a design philosophy called empathy. Today, we will be showcasing our work, lifestyle accessory design.
The students were asked to go to a hardware shop and identifying the right kind of accessory which can be transformed into a meaningful lifestyle product.
The main objective of this course was to focus on materials and their finishes and how they blend together to make a complete lifestyle accessory. For example, this is a contemporary table lamp that blends modern minimalism with heritage symbolism. It is designed both as a lamp and an art object that brings bold yet elegant presence to contemporary interiors.
This is Hiraku, completely made and inspired from the ancient art of origami. The entire lampshade has been made from such a humble material that is something paper. Paper is very 2D, but when you fold and manipulate it in a way, it gives a very 3D and a very good form to the product.
Some of them, they have came up with hanging luminaires, pendants, wall mounted luminaires. So these kind of products they came up, which were not only innovative as well as very much useful and user oriented.